This year we celebrate 12 years of internship, and it remains a testimony of what leadership, vision, and commitment can achieve. Our vision is pretty simple. It is to empower young people, to nurture them into tomorrow's leaders, to inspire them, and to enhance Jamaica's workforce. We placed 646 interns in jobs this year through 90 organizations island-wide. 283 of those interns were from tertiary level students, and 363 was from the secondary level. Our partners comprise government agencies, financial institutions, medical institutions, schools and churches, and other institutions, including our tourism partners.
We deliberately didn't place you at hotels, many of you, so you understand how broad, how extensive, how inclusive tourism is, how deep and wide the value chain of tourism is, and how when you train in all these other disciplines, you are really preparing yourself to give service. And so the focus of the internship program is about customer service and service excellence.
This year was a new year for us because we imparted a new part of our program, and as such we had 13 orientations island-wide where we sought to train our interns in detailed customer service and also etiquette on the job.
So you can move with that anywhere in the world you go.
It really helped. This year I noticed I didn't have much to do in terms of grooming and so on and so forth, because they came, and I think it's because of the 2 days workshop, they were ready. I am proud to say also that from the internship program, we have employed 2 persons, one in the administrative area and one in the clinical area.
And what has happened is that you have been made to have a very practical and hands-on appreciation of the moving parts, the many moving parts that must come together seamlessly to create the tourism experience that we sell to the world. And so therefore, when we do these summer internship programs, is to expose you to these areas that are not in the hotel where traditionally you see tourism.
At the end of the program, our interns were evaluated. And as a result of the evaluation, we have our lovely award ceremony today.
We've given you the appetizer in the TEF internship program. Now is your moment to indulge and taste this rich and sumptuous and delectable offering called tourism.